and welcome back to another lesson with me, Sophie. What are we learning today? Today, we're going to be recapping the last 4 sounds that we learned, and they are oi, oo, ow. Well done, you remembered those sounds really well. Now let's read some words that contain these sounds. Ready? Moon, hook, down, coil. Let's try it again. Ready? Moon, hook, down, coil. Well done! Good reading! Now it's time to read some words. I'm going to slowly show you 3 words, and you're going to see if you can read each one. Now, if you need more time, you can pause the video. Are you ready? Ready? Did you have a try at reading these words? Well done. Now let's read them together by pointing at the red dots and dashes. Are you ready? Ready? B, oot, boot, j, oi, n, join, d, ow, n, down. Wow, you read those words so well. Well done. Now this time, let's read the word without sounding out. Are you ready? Ready? Boot, join, down. Fantastic reading. Well done. Now it's time for you to write a word. I'm going to tell you a word, and you have got to pause the video and see if you can spell it. The first word I want you to write is boil, like when you boil water. Sound it out with me. B-oil, boil. Now pause the video and have a go. Let's see if you got it right. Fantastic spelling. Let's try another one. The next word I want you to write is cow. Sound it out with me. K-ow, cow. Now pause the video and have a go. Let's see if you got it right. Wow, well done. Did you spell the word correctly? Now it's time for the secret sentence. I'm going to slowly show you a sentence, and you have to pause the video and have a go at reading it. Then, you're going to put your thumbs up if the sentence is true, and you're going to put your thumbs down if the sentence is false. And then we're going to read it together. Are you ready? Ready? Wow, good reading. Now, is the sentence true or is it false? Yes, this sentence is true. An owl can hoot. Let's read the whole sentence together. Ready? An owl can hoot. Let's try another one. Ready? Wow, well done. Good reading. Now, is the sentence true or is it false? Yeah, this sentence is true as well. Roots can go deep down into the soil. Let's read the whole sentence together. Ready? Roots go down into the soil. Fantastic reading, well done. Now it's time for you to write a sentence. I'm going to tell you a sentence and you're going to pause the video and see if you can write it yourself. Then we'll check to see if you got it right. Are you ready? This is a sentence I said the other day when I saw a beautiful dress in a shop and I said, look at that gown. Say it with me. Look at that gown. Now pause the video and have a go. Let's see if you got it right. Wow, good try, well done. Well done for another fantastic lesson. Now, if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new content. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.